Today is the 24th of March 2025, 1 month before the release of the new DJI Mavic 4. And I have to say, I'm quite excited. If you ever bought and used the DJI drone, I don't think I have to explain why. No, I'm not sponsored by DJI, but thanks to the drones of DJI, I was able to make over $32,000 last year as a Microstock contributor. My opinion is that DJI creates the best drones in the world. They are what like Apple is among smartphones. They are super easy to use, they are safe, but most important of all, they allow you to create amazing things like this. In order to understand how the drones of DJI brought me to this level, we have to go back to the year 2012. This very desk is where it all started. This was me, 22 years old, and I just started studying. As a poor student without any job, I tried to make some extra money on the side. With the support of my parents, I bought this Nikon D5100 camera. From this computer I made my first ever upload to Microstock. It was at Fotolia, now Adobe Stock. I tried Shutterstock as well, but constantly rejected. I had many rejections, but also some acceptance. And now and then a small sale. Here you can see my first ever images back from 2012 made with this camera. Some of those have been online since 2012 and haven't made a single sale ever. But as you can see, I also had a small success, 7 downloads on this file. These results inspired me to do more. If you move further upwards in my portfolio, you can see I started experimenting with different techniques. Also started trying illustrations, 3D renderings, vector images. Back then my earnings were between 25 cents and $50 a month. My question was, what should I create? How can I create that bestseller? Now I had different results. Sometimes I would put in a lot of work and only got a few sales. And sometimes it worked. For example, this file, it took me a lot of work to draw all these things. Since 2012 I had only 1 download. While on the other hand this was quite easy to make and had 317 downloads since 2012. I kept on experimenting over the years. With taking photos from my phone, to mounting my GoPro to my motorcycle, even putting a GoPro in a laundry basket to get a different perspective, try at home studio photography, to creating animation with free 3D CAD models. I kept growing my portfolio until I was about making $200 to $400 a month in 2020. Then everything changed when I started using drones from DJI. I used my earned Microstock money to invest and bought the new DJI Air 2. This is one of my first clips ever. Interesting to see that without little practice you can already make pretty good looking footage. I realized it had potential. Video makes more money than images, and you could create really cool perspectives on things. I heard from other contributors that they made quite some money, so I knew it was possible using the drones of DJI. I started setting serious goals for myself. I want to make $1,000 of passive income a month by the end of the year by uploading 2,000 drone videos over the coming 12 months. This way it was very clear to me. I had to upload between 5 and 6 videos a day. I just put in the work for a long time and then the results followed. Doubled my income to over $500 a month. I was able to invest into the new DJI Mavic 3. I had almost no more rejections due to technical issues. I started uploading to multiple agencies like Shutterstock, Storyblocks and more. Also I started traveling all across the country and even abroad to find the best drone locations. I tried different drones and techniques like FPV drones and even building them myself, but I soon found out nothing beats DJI products. They're so easy to use, they generate really good footage without any problems. I used the Air 2, the Avata 2 and the Mavic 3. Today we're at a new chapter, the DJI Mavic 4. Here are the leaked rumors. The drone has 3 cameras, 1 main camera and 2 zoom cameras. We see an all new gimbal design that allows high quality vertical video. New updated larger camera sensor for 6K video, 100 megapixel photos. Longer flight time, 52 minutes. New controller with a 7-inch tiltable touchscreen. Charging time will be quick, only 90 minutes for 3 batteries. Little over 1 kilogram. Fly More $3,200, Creator Pro $4,400. Launch trailer 1 week before release, 17th of April. Product release 24th of April 2025. Subscribe to see my experience with the new drone.